back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this professional body art. It's face and body painting kit. It has 15 colors plus brush, and it is a water-based paint. But let's go ahead and get right into this and see how they work. Okay, so this was a contest between my husband. So this is what the goal was.
All right, and
okay.
Let's do yours first. Elijah?
So who do you think won?
Elijah?
Who do you think won? Brandon or Elisha? Put it in the comments down below. Who won the contest?
Scarlett, who do you think won?
Brandon. Elisha looks like a...
Yeah! Julie!
He looks like a serious...
Juliet, who do you think won?
Yeah!
What?
Thank you.
No, I think...
That's it, Brandon.
No, I don't think so.
Elisha looks...
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.